What's going on, YouTube? This your boy Marvin 901, and I'm dropping a quick video on y'all right now. And this one right here today is gonna be about Airpods. You know what I'm saying? As we all know, for the ones who already got some and know what's going on, like how they work or whatever and all that, you know they get kind of dirty. I don't know. Y'all can see. Hold on. See, can I get a good? Put it in the camera right. Okay. A little bit. Focus a little bit. Okay. Alright. They get dirty. And y'all sound quality go out. So what I found out you can do is to clean it and make your sound come all the way back like brand new. Easy. All you gotta do is kinda some folks say it's gross or whatever, but it's your earwax. You know how I got dirty earwax. Duh. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna get straight to it. And so how I clean mines out, you just put your mouth over the hole right here, over the part that go in your ear, and you suck on it. You suck the air out. You suck the dust up out of it, the earwax up out of it, and I suck on the hole down here and the hole over here, all the holes in the mug, and then you blow it and stuff like that too. But don't blow no. Make sure you don't blow no spit or none of this stuff in there. You know what I'm saying? You just do it like this, like pretty hard, like that. Like you hit the blood or whatever, cigarette, whoever, black, and then just keep doing that. Yeah. And there you go. It's clean. Wipe it off. Cause it just the sound quality get like that after so long. And you might think you got them clean and stuff like that, but due time, your sound quality will go bad. And you'll feel like something going on and shit. So I'm just letting y'all know what's going on. And I just, I switch them, you know, different, same thing, same routine. This one right here, the one that make the bass. The good bass y'all love. There you go. Wipe it off. Now, this my method. You know what I'm saying? Somebody else might got another method, but this my method. It works fine, and they work just like brand new. And this help y'all like, subscribe, check my channel out, Marvin 901, and you probably learn something off there other than stuff like this. I just thought I'd drop a quick video about this, but y'all have a good night. Well, I'll see y'all again when y'all see me in another video or whatever. You know what I'm saying? And peace with y'all. And thanks for like and subscribe. Whoever like, subscribe this video. And if you want more stuff like this, let me know. I'll find some more stuff to talk about. Okay, thanks.